All right, let's start off the vlog with a little bit of a bang, you know what I'm saying? How do I spell? Dot. Where's the C? Got it. Where are we at? We at the Nike.com homepage, you know what I'm saying? Spent a lot of time on this website, if you guys know what I mean, you know what I'm saying? Bought a lot of shoes off this website. Oh my!
Sus. Look, I was 19 years old. With
who is this sexy ass boy? Oh my! Who is this fine ass dude right there? Like this one in specific right there. Everyone fine, but you know what I'm saying? Like, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. But going back to how did this happen? Let's go back to a couple weeks ago when I did the shoot. Fast forward to 7:25 a.m. We're now about 10 minutes away from the shoot location. Today's project is for their fall 2022 collegiate pride collection. It's like a whole college capsule. I'm going to be representing USC, which is cool, University of Southern California. That's why I got this color turban on. Their colors are like this yellowish gold and like a red. So you actually cannot record or take photos on set. So I'm not really sure what this vlog is going to be like. We'll figure that out. Hopefully it's cool. If you're watching this, I was able to gather enough content to make it something cool. Alright, so I could not vlog at the actual shoot, but you guys saw some of the behind the scenes that I put over there. So this is actually my third shoot with Nike. We've done some cool work, but finally we're on the website, you know what I'm saying? Before it was some campaigns for their Instagram. I'm saying this for like motivational purposes because as a kid, like I've dreamed about this happening. Like none of this happened overnight. Like a lot of people thought this stuff happened overnight, but it didn't. Took a lot of hard work, a lot of years of me sitting in front of a phone, unboxing sneakers, like all that stuff. Like don't forget about that. So it's like motivational purposes only. This is the first time a turban wearing Sikh has been on the Nike website, like on the front page anywhere, like Nike.com. So it's pretty cool, and also being the first Sikh to model for Nike for campaigns and stuff, it's truly been a blessing. And again, saying that for motivational purposes because as a Sikh growing up, we didn't see this all the time. So now that it's finally happening, God bless, you know what I mean? That's what you guys could see, I'm wearing the Trojans gear, you know what I'm saying? Cool little fit. Funny story about the choice of the color turban I'm wearing. I brought a bag full of different turban colors to the fitting day. And I asked the stylist, I'm like, which one do you think I should wear? I was wearing black and they saw the black on me, so they're like, all right, black is cool, you can wear black. But I'm like, hold on a second. I thought the yellow would look good after we made the outfit. So I literally just pulled up in yellow. I brought the black in case and they were like, yo, yellow looks good, good job. You could keep that on. So it's pretty cool. I think it makes it stand out a lot more as well. You guys could see pictures of this on the app, on Pinterest ads. I'll throw it all up here so you guys can see. And also, this is the first time at any shoot where they let me keep the clothing, which is a bless. So I'm about to show you guys everything they gave me. Basically with shoots, the Nike's team hit me up. They're like, yo, are you down for this shoot? Absolutely. I'm always down for shoots, bro. You know what I mean? Like, this is what I enjoy. I love this shit. I really do. Let's start off with the sneakers. TJ option, you know what I'm saying? They had some other shoes options for me, but this is what we went with. These are the Nike Air Max Pre-Day. Ooh. Super clean. These are the exact shoes that like I'm wearing right there, wearing in the shoot. They're super comfortable, super clean. I'm kind of scared to wear them. Like they gave it to me, like I don't know, like you know what I mean. Like it feels special. So I'm gonna wear these for sure though. But I do not want to mess these up because if you know me, I beat up all my shoes. It doesn't matter what shoe it is, they always get beat. So hopefully that doesn't happen with these. Next up, they gave me these USC shorts, tri-fit shorts. Super comfortable. Definitely gonna wear the hell out of these. We got this Trojans tee. What does it say? Got the USC logo, Trojans logo, swoosh, Nike swoosh. Again, another shirt that I'm definitely gonna be wearing a lot. If you guys saw in the pictures, I was wearing a baseball jersey, a Trojans baseball jersey, but they said that they needed that. They only had one of them with them, so they needed it for like other content and stuff. So they said there was like a bunch of racks full of Nike gear. They're like, yo, go pick anything else. And I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm fine with that. They had tech. I should have low-key picked up some tech, some Nike tech, but these look really cool. It's like this pair of gray Nike sweats. Like these are hard, right? Like the zipper and everything. Like these are crazy. Like these look, if you know me, I love my gray sweats, bro. Winter's coming, it's about to be cold. So I like to stay cozy. So we're about to get a move on with our day. Right now, me and Bikram about to go link with Tegbir. It's Bikram's birthday right now.
Yo.
Say happy birthday to Bikram in the comments.
Thank you.
He's gonna hang out with his family tonight as he should. First, we're gonna link with Tegbir. He needs to go shopping. Tegbir has zero drip. We gotta get this kid dripped out. Like I know, Tegbir, I'm sorry. We're trying to get you dripped out. I show him options. He's like, nah, bro. I'm like, all right, then stay with no drip, JV. I don't know what to say. And then we're about to go to home base Sunday to Sunday, get some eats with some more of the boys. You wanna ask me some like questions and shit? You have any?
Nah. So what are you wearing?
Right now what we're wearing is we got the Nocta. What's it say? Sometimes
You.
sometimes us.
Always
sometimes.
us.
Vintage Nike track pants. I
Okay.
don't even mean to be Nike'd out today, but I guess it's only right. And then we got my favorites, the little Nocta joints, you know what I'm saying?
Those are hard.
Steps, stepping hot. In other news, I don't have other news. Sorry. All right, whatever. We're gonna end the vlog right there.
How was Vogue?
Oh, Vogue was cool too. We did the Vogue show last week, 2 weeks ago. There's a turban dude in there. That's just a fluffy hair. Vogue was cool too. We did the Vogue show.
How's
Walk with
Kanye?
Ye. Shout out Ye. He saw me there. We breathed the same air, breathed the same.
Emrat.
What? Emrata.
Emrata.
Dude, we made eye contact and I folded, bro. Like I didn't know what to do. Like she just walked past and like it was like you know what I'm saying, a little smile. I was like, fuck, bro. Like I don't know what to do, but. Maybe I'll slide in the DMs, you know what I mean?
Honestly,
like, I'm
yeah.
sorry I couldn't say anything in person, like, just took my breath away.
Or you could take some. You just put it down.
Alright, we're finishing off the night right now. We're at Sunday to Sunday. Getting a quick little light dinner in right now. Winter group, how y'all doing?
Chilling.
It's good. You got the spaghetti going on. And he's wearing the Sunday to Sunday hoodie right now. He's repping strong. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, goodbye.
Are you in the same vlog?
No, it's a different vlog.